How to view who read your message in Google Chat on Android. This tutorial shows you how to check read receipts and see who has seen your messages. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. From there, tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. At this point, um, open the conversation or space where you want to check read receipts. From there, find the message you sent that you want to check. After that, tap and hold on the message to bring up additional options. In the next step, um, tap on the small profile icons or check mark that appears below your message if the recipient has read it. From there, this will show you the name of the person who has seen your message along with a timestamp. Once done, if you were in a group space, tap on the same check mark or scene indicator below your message. Following this, um, a list will appear showing everyone in the space who has read that specific message so far. From here, keep in mind that read receipts in Google Chat only show up if the other person has read receipts enabled on their end as well. Keep in mind, turning off your own read receipts also means you will not be able to see read receipts for other people's messages, as the feature works both ways for everyone involved. And that's it. If this guide helped you view who read your message in Google Chat, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.